Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you will be fine and doing good. Today we will solve exercise of Unit 2 Science Food and Balanced Diet Grade 4. So let's start. First of all, concept check at the page number 13. Complete the following sentences. Page number 13. Complete the following sentences. We need to eat right amount of carbohydrates, dietary fiber, protein and fat. Carbohydrate, the bold letters are the words to fill in the blanks. Now use the 4 keywords you use in the blanks above to answer these questions. Which 3 give us energy? Carbohydrate, protein and fat. Which one helps us to build and grow? Protein. Which one has no food value but helps to move waste along? Dietary fiber. Which two makes us fat if we eat too much of them? Fats and carbohydrate. There was only one concept check in the chapter 2. Now let's start the exercises. Page number 16 and 17. So start from page number 16. Exercise, choose the correct answer. Dietary fiber can be found in the option which are given in the book: A, milk; B, wheat; C, eggs; D, salt. The correct answer is bread. Sorry, the correct answer is wheat, B. The second one, which of these foods is good source of carbohydrate? A, bread; fruit, meat and yogurt. So A is correct answer, bread. This vitamin is made up by the skin and sunlight. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. The correct answer is vitamin D. The food is a good source of protein and calcium. A, cheese; B, fish; C, bread; D, apple. So the correct answer is A, cheese. Which of these we should eat very little of? Eggs, fruits, sweets and vegetables. Sweets. Find odd one out in the following. Odd one. Odd means strange one. So milk, curd, cheese, jam, butter. So milk, curd, cheese and butter are healthy food, while jam is junk food. In the list of healthy food, this one is jam is the odd. Jam is not the dairy product. Cucumber, peas, carrot. Lychee, spinach. Carrot. Carrot is the root vegetable. It also oranges and other greens are. Others are green. Sugarcane, banana, apple, grape, guava. Sugarcane is a stem rather than a fruit. Pistachio, cashew nut, walnut, onion and almond. Onion is not a nut or seed. It is a bulb used as a vegetable. Protein, minerals, wood, fat, vitamin. Wood is not food group. Page number 17. Put 2 words from the list into each column in the table below. Proteins, egg, nuts; carbohydrates, carrots, cereals; fats, butter, chocolates; vitamins, sunshine, lemon. Can you add at least one home food in each column? You must have to add, dear students, you will have to add. Number 4. How many different ways of cooking food can you think of? Draw a table or notebook like one below at the page number 17. Fill in it, then find out which food you can add to your table by discussing the table in the class. like frying, cooking, boiling, baking, you can add it. Steaming, steam, bake, roast, boil, fry, etc. You can add the words like this. So the at last 5 answer these questions. Page number 17. Answer this question. Why do we need food? Food gives us energy to live. What do proteins do for our body? Protein give us energy and are body building foods that make us grow. They help our body to build up and repair tissues and muscles. They enable your body to replace the dead cells. Question number 3. Why does the body need carbohydrates? The body needs carbohydrates because they give us energy. How do dietary fibers help digestion? Dietary fibers helps to move waste through the digestive system. In what way are vitamins good for body? Vitamins keep bones and skin healthy. They keep eyesight, gives energy and prevent infections. They also help wounds to heal. What do we mean by balanced diet? A balanced diet means eating right variety of food in right amounts. How much water is needed by the body every day? Does this mean we have to drink that amount? The body needs water in order to function properly. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. We also get water from our food. Think about it. You can watch the screen as well. You can make your own answers too. Do you have balanced diet? Make a list of food you eat for each meal. Would you say you have a balanced diet? Do you think you should eat less or more any particular food? You will write your own answers. Is it good to be thin? Is it good to be too fat? What do you think? What is the best way to live healthy life? While it is unhealthy to be too thin, too fat, people have very different body shapes. Ideally, we should all be within a healthy weight range, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting enough rest and not smoking, etc. is the good way to live a healthy life. Tell your teacher in your own words about what food pyramids show us, about foods that are good for your body, about the way in which your favorite dish is prepared. You can use your own word. At the page number 18, you can see the table like this. Search for each of the following word in square below and draw a circle around them. This is milk, fiber, energy, protein, water, and now carbohydrates, mineral, nutrients, fruit, grain, calcium, vitamins. You can also color it. This was all about the chapter. Solve the chapter on your notebook where possible and fill in the blanks and matching the column and the work that is possible to do on the book. You should do it book, but answer the question must be done on the notebook very neat way. So dear students, this was the second chapter, and in your assignment only third chapter remains, and very soon the video of third chapter also will be uploaded. Just keep watching our channel. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.